Thinking of buying directly from Oneplus, but is it actually safe? Let's break it down. First, look for the padlock icon in your browser's address bar. This confirms the site has a secure connection, encrypting your data. That's the first line of defense. Next, check out their contact information. Do they have a legitimate address, phone number, and a working customer support email? Solid support is crucial if things go south. Now, let's talk payment. Reputable online stores offer multiple secure payment options. Look for familiar logos like Visa, MasterCard, and PayPal. Avoid sites asking for bank transfers directly. Before you add to cart, dive into customer reviews. Pay close attention to comments about shipping times, product quality, and overall customer service. Understand their return policy. A clear and fair return policy means they stand behind their products. Check for details on return shipping costs and any restocking fees. So, is it safe? If the website has a secure connection, clear contact info, multiple payment options, positive reviews, and a reasonable return policy, you're likely good to go. Always stay vigilant and happy shopping.